To improve Bixby accuracy when responding your wake-up voice on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first go to the place where you usually use Bixby to help Bixby improving its accuracy to your voice while you are in this place. Next, on your phone, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap Bixby. Tap voice wake up. Next, tap respond to my voice. Tap improve voice wake up accuracy. To get the best result, it will be better if your phone is not being connected to earphone or Bluetooth devices while recording. Now tap start to start recording and set the currently used wake up phrase for 2 times. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. If needed, you can tap record more to get more accuracy. Or if you feel it's enough, you can tap done button to save your recording. By doing this, Bixby will improve its accuracy to recognize your voice while you are in places where you usually use Bixby. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.